continuing delays while trains are repaired. Some are still out of action after their wheels were damaged by wet leaves. Since the Victoria, Jubilee and Central lines began their 24-hour services earlier this year, Transport for London says more than 1 million journeys have been made. And we can see those delays on the Piccadilly line now. If we take a look at the tube board, severe delays at the moment. That's from Acton Town to Heathrow and Uxbridge. There are also minor delays on the rest of the line. On southern trains, drivers are back out on strike this morning. That's leaving commuters facing the third day of disruption this week. No southern rail trains are running at all this morning. Moving on to the roads now. This is Cold Harbour Lane in Brixton. You can see it's closed in one direction because of a gas leak at the moment. The A10 also remains closed in Stoke Newington following a burst water main. And in Islington, the A1, another road closed, southbound between Islington Green and Angel Tube. That's after a burst water main there too. OK, let's have a check on the weather now with Elizabeth Rizzini.
Hello, good morning. It's another dry, mild and cloudy day again today. Very similar to what we had yesterday when it was really rather grey. Bit of late brightness around once again, though today brightness and sunshine is going to be in rather short supply. But we're starting off on a mild note, 8 or 9 degrees Celsius for most of us this morning. We've got a few mist patches around as well. They'll tend to lift through the morning into low cloud. We're keeping the cloud for much of the day. The best of any brightness will tend to be towards eastern areas, parts of Kent and Essex, not doing too badly, but all in all quite gloomy at times. Top temperatures 10 or 11 degrees Celsius with just a light southeasterly breeze. Overnight tonight, we'll do the whole thing all over again. We're keeping all of that cloud. We'll see some more mist and fog patches form into tomorrow morning. We'll start off on a mild note again, 6 or 7 degrees Celsius. Now, high pressure still dominates the weather over the course of the weekend. The cloud's going nowhere. It's going to stay dry and it will stay reasonably mild as well, particularly so on Saturday. If you're out doing something Christmassy over the weekend or even a spot of shopping, then the weather shouldn't bother you too much. It's going to be really very benign, but it will start to cool off somewhat by the time we get to Sunday, highs of only 8 degrees. No significant rain in the forecast either for the start of next week.
That's it for now. I'll be back with all the latest in half an hour. Bye-bye.